Hunting is the practice of seeking, pursuing and capturing or killing wildlife or feral animals. The most common reasons for humans to hunt are to harvest useful animal products, to eliminate pests and nuisance animals that damage crops, livestock, poultry or spread diseases. Recreationally hunted species are generally referred to as the game, and are usually mammals and birds. A person participating in a hunt is a hunter or huntsman. A natural area used for hunting is called a game reserve, and an experienced hunter who helps organize a hunt and/or managing the game reserve is known as a gamekeeper. Many non-human animals also hunt as part of their feeding and parental behaviors, sometimes in quantities exceeding immediate dietary needs. The one that does the hunting is the predator, and the one being hunted is the prey. Hunting activities by humans arose in Homo erectus or earlier. In the order of millions of years ago, hunting has become deeply embedded in various human cultures and was once an important part of the rural economies, classified by economists as part of primary production alongside forestry, agriculture and fishery. Modern regulations distinguish lawful hunting activities from illegal poaching, which involves the unauthorized and unregulated killing, trapping or capture of animals. Apart from food provision, hunting can be a means of population control. Hunting advocates state that regulated hunting can be a necessary component of modern wildlife management, for example to help maintain a healthy proportion of animal populations within an environment's ecological carrying capacity when natural checks such as natural predators are absent or insufficient, or to provide funding for breeding programs and maintenance of natural reserves and conservation parks. However, excessive hunting has also heavily contributed to the endangerment, extirpation and extinction of many animals. Some animal rights and anti-hunting activists regard hunting as a cruel, perverse and unnecessary blood sport. Certain hunting practices, such as canned hunts and ludicrously paid, bribed trophy tours, are considered unethical and exploitative even by some hunters. Marine mammals such as whales and pinnipeds are also targets of hunting, both recreationally and commercially, often with heated controversies regarding the morality, ethics and legality of such practices. The pursuit, harvesting or catch and release of fish and aquatic cephalopods and crustaceans is called fishing, which however is widely accepted and not commonly categorized as a form of hunting, even though it essentially is. It is also not considered hunting to pursue animals without intent to kill them, as in wildlife photography, bird watching, or scientific research activities which involve tranquilizing or tagging of animals. Although green hunting is still called so, the practices of netting or trapping insects and other arthropods for trophy collection, or the foraging or gathering of plants and mushrooms, are also not regarded as hunting. Skillful tracking and acquisition of an elusive target has caused the word hunt to be used in the vernacular as a metaphor for searching and obtaining something, as in treasure hunting, bargain hunting, hunting for votes, and even hunting down corruption and waste. The word hunt serves as both a noun and a verb. The noun has been dated to the early 12th century, from the verb hunt. Old English had hunting, huntu, the meaning of a body of persons associated for the purpose of hunting with a pack of hounds, is first recorded in the 1570s. The act of searching for someone or something is from about 1600. The verb, Old English huntyan, to chase game, is first recorded c. 1200. Hunting has a long history. It predates the emergence of Homo sapiens and may even predate the genus Homo. The oldest undisputed evidence for hunting dates to the early Pleistocene, consistent with the emergence and early dispersal of Homo erectus, about 1.7 million years ago. While it is undisputed that Homo erectus were hunters, the importance of this for the emergence of Homo erectus from its Australopithecine ancestors, including the production of stone tools and eventually the control of fire, is emphasized in the so-called hunting hypothesis, and they're emphasized in scenarios that stress omnivory and social interaction. There is no direct evidence for hunting predating Homo erectus in either Homo habilis or in Australopithecus. The early hominid ancestors of humans were probably frugivores or omnivores, with a partially carnivore diet from scavenging rather than hunting. Evidence for Australopithecine meat consumption was presented in the 1990s. It has nevertheless often been assumed that at least occasional hunting behavior may have been present well before the emergence of Homo. This can be argued on the basis of comparison with chimpanzees, the closest extant relatives of humans, who also engage in hunting, indicating the